Choosing the perfect camera can be a daunting task, especially with the plethora of options available today. Many photographers, whether beginners or seasoned pros, aim to find a compact yet powerful camera that delivers stunning photos without the complexity of a DSLR. However, navigating through countless models and specifications can be overwhelming. If you're striving for top-notch image quality in a simple, user-friendly package, stay tuned. We've listed the 5 best point-and-shoot cameras 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Be sure to check that the products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end. So now coming up with number 5. Sony RX100 Mark VII is a pocket-sized powerhouse that will blow you away. Its 20.1 megapixel 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and Zeiss Vario Sonar T24 200mm f2.8 4.5 large aperture high magnification zoom lens make it clear this camera means business with an incredible 0.02 second autofocus speed, 357-point focal plane phase detection, and 425-point contrast detection AF. You can snap sharp, in-focus shots almost instantly. The up to 20 FPS blackout-free shooting captures every millisecond of action, and AI-based real-time tracking keeps your subject in focus, whether filming or taking stills. Real-time IAF for humans and animals ensures eyes are always sharp and expressive. For video enthusiasts, 4K recording with S-Log3, interval shooting, a microphone jack, and active mode image stabilization offer high-quality footage and smooth, professional videos. The image quality is stellar, and the versatile zoom range covers everything from wide-angle landscapes to distant wildlife. While the complex menu system can be daunting at first, and the premium price might stretch some budgets, the exceptional performance and features make it a worthwhile investment for serious photographers and videographers. Number 4. RICOH GR III impresses with its 24-megapixel CMOS sensor and accelerator unit, ensuring crisp and detailed photos. Its 4-stop shake reduction keeps images sharp even in lower light conditions, ideal for on-the-go shooting. The 3-inch air gapless capacitive touch LCD screen is highly responsive, making navigation and control effortless. The hybrid AF system, combining contrast and phase detection, delivers fast, accurate focusing, perfect for spontaneous shots. Wireless LAN functionality paired with the ImageSync app allows for remote control and easy sharing, enhancing convenience. Full HD movie recording at 60 FPS offers smooth, high-quality footage, appealing to vloggers and videographers. While the lack of a built-in flash may be a minor inconvenience, the camera's compatibility with Pentax AF flashes compensates for this. The compactness and consistent high-quality performance of the GR3 make it a reliable tool for photographers. The hybrid AF system and wireless capabilities further elevate the user experience. Despite the absence of a built-in flash, the benefits far outweigh this drawback. The RICOH GR III is worth checking out for those seeking a portable, reliable camera that excels in various conditions and offers creative freedom. Number 3. Canon PowerShot G5X Mark II blew me away with its compact yet powerful design. Featuring a 20.1 megapixel 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, the image quality is stellar for a point-and-shoot. The 5x optical zoom lens, 24-120mm f 1.8 2.8, with optical image stabilizer covers wide landscapes to intricate details, perfect for travel photography. Its 4K 30p and FHD 120p video capture deliver crisp, cinematic footage, while the pop-up electronic viewfinder, EVF, with 2.36 million dots and touch and drag autofocus, AF, ensure precise compositions, even in bright sunlight, turning the camera into a high-quality webcam using EOS utility. Webcam beta software, or clean HDMI output, is a fantastic addition for virtual meetings and content creation. Portability is a key highlight, fitting easily into a pocket or small bag without sacrificing performance. However, battery life could be better, And there's no microphone input, though the built-in mic is decent for casual videos. The responsive touchscreen can get smudged, but a cleaning cloth solves this. Overall, the G5X Mark II offers superb image quality, versatile zoom, and robust video capabilities, making it a top choice for photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix ZS80 redefines compact photography with its 2.3-inch 20.3 megapixel MOS sensor, enhancing low-light performance. The RICOH DC Vario Elmar lens offers a 20mm ultra-wide angle with a 30x telephoto range, perfect for diverse shooting scenarios. The image quality this lens delivers is impressive, making it a fantastic travel companion. Panasonic's Power OIS optical image stabilizer compensates for handshakes, ensuring clearer photos, even at full zoom. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the 4K capabilities, recording in 3840x2160 at 30p, with the added bonus of 4K photo mode, capturing moments at 30 FPS in 8MP stills. The large 0.21-inch viewfinder and 3.0-inch tiltable touch control. Monitor, enhance usability, offering bright, clear views and responsive touch controls. While the small sensor size may not match the clarity of larger sensors in very low light, it suffices for most travel photography. The complexity of features might overwhelm beginners, but practice makes it manageable. The Lumix ZS80 balances size, power, and functionality, consistently impressing with its image and video quality. It's a reliable choice for both casual and serious photographers, making it a versatile companion worth considering for your photographic adventures. Number 1. Sony ZV-1 revolutionizes vlogging with its impressive features packed into a compact design. This camera's 20.1 megapixel sensor and fast, bright Zeiss lens deliver sharp, vibrant images even in low light. Its fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time tracking ensure subjects remain in focus, crucial for dynamic shooting. The side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen tilts up and down, making selfie shots and dynamic content creation easy. Switching between defocused background modes enhances the professional look of videos, while the product showcase setting smoothly transitions focus from face to object, perfect for product reviews. Audio quality is top-notch with the forward directional onboard mic and detachable windscreen, plus a 3.5mm mic jack and MI shoe for additional options. Image stabilization keeps footage smooth during movement, and optimized color and skin tone reproduction save time in post-production. Pro video functions like HLG and S-Log302 offer advanced control for video enthusiasts. While the battery life could be improved and the lack of a headphone jack is a minor inconvenience, the Sony ZV-1 remains a standout choice for any serious vlogger. So that's wrapping our list of 5 best point-and-shoot cameras 2024. Choosing the right camera depends on your specific needs and budget. Each of these models has unique strengths that can enhance your photography experience. Consider your requirements, and you are sure to find the perfect point-and-shoot camera for your adventures in 2024. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.